Hello and welcome all. Today we are here to discuss about the different course options that students can study in Germany after studying commerce in class 12. So if we look at Germany as a study destination, it has many benefits as we know. Not only does it provide us students with courses both in English and German, but it also has a great economy where if when students get to work while studying, it's a great opportunity for them. In terms of let's say since we are talking about commerce options specifically, so the economy of the country matters a lot because when students study, they also get to a chance to work in the country's businesses as part of their coursework only. So, and Germany is known for having many headquarters of top organizations in the country itself. So, we'll be discussing a little bit more on the course options basically.
Yeah, so we all know that Germany is a popular destination for students who are looking for their higher education. And when we talk about the field of commerce, both practical as well as theoretical knowledge matters in the business world. And Germany has a number of courses in the field of commerce. Like first of all, they have this business administration, which focuses on business as well as finance. Then we have human resource and operational management. And apart from that, we have economics, which focuses mostly on economics of theories and models and its application in the real world as well. And apart from that, there are many other courses as well, like we have finance, we have accounting, we have marketing, we have. But students should also keep this in mind that if they are applying for Bachelors of Commerce in Germany especially, they should fulfill the eligibility criteria as well.
I mean, as you mentioned, the different courses. So now when you're talking about the eligibility criteria, it's good that you mentioned that because it's very important for them to meet the basic requirements, which is basically having subjects like maths or economics and more such subjects in their 12th class as well, as this becomes a baseline for their further studies as well. And for the other requirements include, let's say, language requirements. As I said, Germany provides courses in both English and German. So it is necessary to meet the requirements as per the program that a student chooses. So let's say if they choose a program which is in English, so they would need to get a certain score required that in order to get admission to that program. So even though if they, as I said, that they do have a lot of programs in English as well, but German is not a required language itself if it's not compulsory, but it is always better to have some basic knowledge of German as well, so that it helps them better to integrate into the society while they are studying there.
And I think one of the best thing about Germany is that it has a number of universities. Like it has public universities there, private universities there, and we have applied sciences as well. So it can depend on the student, whichever university they want to get into it.
You're right in terms of you have many options, and one of the biggest attractions for students who want to study in Germany is basically their public universities, and that is because they provide them free education in terms of they don't charge tuition fees. But again, the requirements are higher in terms of the marks requirements. And another unique thing about the eligibility criteria for public universities is basically students need to have 13 years of education as compared to the 12 years that they have in India. So and again, other options which include private universities, they have intakes throughout the years. So again, depends on the universities as well. And the applied sciences also are excellent options for students who want to study in Germany. And depending on the requirements that a student is able to meet and the budget constraints, they usually choose the education institutes depending on that.
And like you mentioned earlier, that Germany is a hub of top industries or companies. So after completing your course, you can also apply for post-study work visa as well, which is for a duration of 18 months. And in those 18 months, you can look for a job or you can work over there and gain a work experience as well, which I think is a fair deal. So I think considering all that, Bachelors of Commerce is a great degree for students who are looking for studying in Germany.
Yeah, you're right. So, if we look at everything that we discussed, in short, it'll be like we talked about the different bachelor degrees that student can pursue after their studying commerce in from India in their during their class 12. And the different course options that they have is in the field of accounting, finance, and marketing and more. So this degree is usually for about 3 to 4 year long, and so students who want to study in Germany should budget and make their plans accordingly, because the length is usually 3 to 4 years. And so for students who are want more information regarding this and are planning to or also planning to study in Germany, can contact West Highlander Immigration for more information. Thank you.
Thank you.